Hello, trading is closed on February 28, 2019. We had some calls, looked for lower prices, which we got, looked for the pattern with the early high and the late low, which we got. We did say the commonest thing, the next most common thing, was to get outside the range or close a little change. Neither one of those things happened. Least common by a large margin was what happened today. Neither one of those things happened. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. During the day, we got a sell signal that worked. These rallies were marked as false. We've already retraced. Gap down now 3 days in a row, but we still can't close under some of these lows. Usually this move is an all-day drop. The drop all day can't close under the early morning lows, at least the higher prices, unless we invalidate it by taking out this low early, ideally by gapping under it. So unless we take this out promptly, I look for higher prices tomorrow. The real question is this candidate high going to work? Well, so far, here's the last move up. All that's happened since then is we played Fibonacci ping pong. You can see all these grid levels, and you can see how all we've done is consolidate right at the levels. So until we undercut this low, which would change the whole picture, we don't have enough evidence to say we're in for a reversal, even though we had some good signs right at this high. What you really need to do is to take out this low, and I'm getting suspicious here because of this lackadaisical overlapping drop, that low might hold, but we don't know for certain at this point. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. If we can hold this early, we should see higher prices. Doesn't mean we have to close higher, but we should see tradably higher prices. And if recent lows from about a week ago fall, the whole clinical picture changes. So far, this is just a consolidation of the last rally, and that's today's call.